Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. I have missed you. That was me blowing kisses, by the way. If you're new here, hi, my name's Holly Oliva. I talk about mom stuff, I talk about wife stuff, I talk about life stuff. Today's video is a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. I show you how I do my mornings, because mornings are very important for a stay-at-home mom. For any mom, even if you're working, you gotta get up before the kids get up. That's rule number one of Fight Club, is you have to wake up early. I'm so sorry. At least if you want to be human and feel like you have your own personality away from being a caretaker. This is a cherry Coke Zero. It's good. And here I am flicking you off, girl, but I don't mean it, okay? And please brush your fangs. You have to brush your teeth every single morning and floss, but I didn't picture that because that's gross. We going down the wooden hill. Yes, I know my cat is overweight, but you know what? She won't stop stealing food from the other cats. We actually have to like separate her. Doing a quick little morning walk. I do have a blood clotting disorder, so I have to move a lot to keep from dying. Honestly, there's my man. He's off to work. Oh, sexy. I love a man that works. I love a man that pays bills. And in return, look, I'm making him breakfast and I decorate the house. You know, it feels cozy and inviting up in here. Just a quick little eggs with some salsa on top. I love eggs with salsa because it just feels healthy, you know? I got this salsa, I think I got it from Aldi, probably. But 2 eggs with some salsa, boom, healthy-ish breakfast. You got some protein, you got some vitamin C from the tomato. Of course, I have to give my man Tabasco, he loves it. And now I'm gonna clean up a little bit. You have to keep your space tidy. That's also a big thing for mental health. It doesn't have to be spick and span, perfect, white glove ready. But I do like to just make the bed. It feels better at night when I walk in the room and the bed is made. Now I'm reading a book called Honoring Your Ancestors, so I'll let you know how it is. It's very interesting. It talks about different ways that different cultures honor their ancestors spiritually. Now we're gonna do some glamour magic, baby. I'm telling you, you don't have to do a full face every single day. I do not. I challenge you to at least, bare minimum, put on some eyebrows, some lipstick, and some blush. It will take your confidence to a whole different level, okay? And I've gained some weight, so I'm gonna do a little contour and snatch this jawline because my jaw's starting to disappear, bitch. Just a little bit of contour. I have naturally really high cheekbones, so I could get away with not contouring my cheekbones. Not to brag or anything, but it's true. Do a little lipstick. Okay, today I'm choosing red. You know why? Because it's payday, and when my husband walks in the door, I want him to be like, wow, she looks sexy. You know, red, the color of passion. Pasión. So when he deposits his paycheck into my bank account, he'll be like, wow, she's worth every penny. You know, the house is clean, she smells good, she looks good, the kids are happy. You know, I have bangs, so I have to style my hair a little bit every single day, but it's nothing too crazy. I have such flat, straight hair, so I just try to do, you know, like a little, it's gonna fall in an hour, but that's okay. We playing outside, okay? I'm sitting in the grass. I got my feet in the grass. I'm grounding myself. I'm enjoying nature. Getting a little bit of morning sun is so important. It's free vitamin D. You know, we gotta feed the girls. Yes, they do have their own food container, but I like to also throw some food on the side just to get them to scratch at the dirt and find bugs, bitch, because I'm trying to get them good eggs. I nursed this baby back to life. Oh, she was dying. Look how pretty she is, and the butterflies love her. Now it's spiritual time. This is where I honor my ancestors, actually. And we're gonna do, my daughter thinks she's a tarot reader. I'm not very good at tarot, you guys. For some reason, my tarot readings always come out the best with my sister. Like when I'm thinking of her and I pull cards, I'm like, what is going on in her life right now? And I'll have to call her and be like, these are the cards I pulled. What is happening in your personal life? Like, fill me in. What is the tea? Just making sure everyone has fresh linens, fresh blankets, fresh everything. I want them to go in their rooms today when they get home and just be like, ah, you know, nice and cozy and relaxing. And grandma's gonna be here soon. Don't judge her room. I still haven't put her stuff up. I'm so sorry, but I did buy her a brand new bed set. So I think that she's gonna like it. It's nice and white and pretty. It's not too heavy because I think she is someone who really likes to be cold. Every time we would go visit her in Hialeah, her house was freezing. I went to Kawa Coffee in St. Pete off 9th Avenue North. I love them. They're the best coffee place. Hands down, their customer service is always 10 out of 10. I love them so much. I had to stop at Target. I want to pick up a couple of things. I ended up getting most of the stuff that I bought from the like $5 section. Like, look at that glass. That is so cute for fall. I did end up getting it. For the first time, my daughter didn't want to ride in the cart. She wanted to be a big girl and walk around, you guys, by herself. Like, not by herself, but she just wanted to walk the store with me, and she picked out that cute pillow. Thankfully, it was on sale for $4. When I tell you these stores don't get too much of my money, I really try to do my best to shop local and thrift. I thrift a lot of stuff. And now we have to clean up, okay? Because not that my husband would say anything, but I do like him to come home to at least a tidy, you know, tidy. There's not dishes, you know. Me and my daughter, we had some lunch. We made some dishes, so I gotta clean them up. I have breakfast dishes there. I just like to clean a little bit. I only do a couple chores a day. I don't overwhelm myself with cleaning. There are other people who live in this home, so they can help a little bit too. Whether I work or not, it's just about being an adult and teaching your kids responsibility. The kids have some chores. My husband, he helps definitely on the weekends more. It's never gonna be perfect. If you try to aim for perfection, you're going to be disappointed and angry all the time. Like, that's just the way it is, especially when you have a large family. I mean, if you only have one child and you're a stay-at-home mom and they're regular healthy kids, you might be able to do perfection because you have less mess. But we've got pets, we've got a million kids, so if I want perfection, I'll hire a professional, which I do sometimes hire someone. My husband can hire someone to mow the fucking lawn. I can hire a cleaner every once in a while, and I do at least once a season hire someone to come do a deep reset of the house. My grandson, he gets into everything. He's so bad with the plants. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know what to do, but we're gonna figure it out. This vacuum just wasn't doing it for me, so I had to just go ahead and pull out the broom and do it old school. We got her this set so she can make little flowers out of Play-Doh, and she really loved them. We love doing arts and crafts in this house. Now we're watching Trolls as usual. That's like her favorite movie. We're waiting for Daddy to get home. Let's make a mocktail. Nowadays, I have fallen in love. No hangover, no 300, 400 extra calories a day, bitch, a day. And I'm not an avid like person. So this has 10 milligrams of THC per serving. One serving is an ounce. So I'm gonna do half an ounce because for me, that's enough to just take the edge off, and I don't have that like really feeling, you know, like, or whatever. A lime wedge. So cute. That is so refreshing. I'm not even gonna lie to you, after the mocktail, me and my husband went outside. My daughter played in her bounce house. We have a little troll water bounce house situation. Not pictured because I don't want to show my daughter in her bathing suit, and we just sat outside. I put my leg up. I got blood clots in my legs, you guys. So after a long day of standing around and walking and doing this, I gotta put my leg up a little bit, and then I get to dinner. Also not pictured are the tantrums or the potty breaks or the time we do about an hour, half a day of a learning activity. I do break it up so that it's not so boring for her. So all you're seeing are the highlight reels of my day. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope this video motivates you to tidy up a little bit, to take care of yourself before you start taking care of everyone else in your home, because you cannot pour from an empty cup, bitch. You can't do it. You can't do it. I love you, and stay safe out there. They snatching people off the streets. Don't forget to do your glamour magic, okay? Put on some lipstick, put on some eyebrows. Love you, okay? See you next week. Bye!